Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize showing requests using ShowingTime, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing showing requests using ShowingTime, first, log in to your ShowingTime account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Showings tab at the top of the page and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Showings. Here, you will see a list of upcoming showing requests. To authorize a specific showing, find the request you wish to review. Click on the request to open the details. Review the date and time of the requested showing. If everything looks good, look for the option to approve the request. Click on the Approve button. If you need to reschedule or deny the request, select the corresponding option. For rescheduling, choose a new date and time from the available options. Once you've made your selection, confirm the changes. If you denied the request, provide a reason in the comments section if necessary. After completing your actions, make sure to save any updates. You will receive a notification confirming the authorization of the showing. To view the status of all showing requests, return to the Showings tab. From there, you can track approvals, denials, and rescheduled requests. With these steps, you have successfully authorized showing requests using ShowingTime. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.